Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix RedNote app network connection problem. So the network issue for the RedNote could be anything. So first we have to simply make sure that we have a stable Wi-Fi, or if you don't have the Wi-Fi, then you can check for if you have a stable data. Then the second thing you can do is that you can check for its update, if any update available on the App Store or Google Play Store. If there's any update available, then you just have to simply update it. But let's say there's no update, then you can just simply check for your internet, that you have a stable internet, and if not, then you have a stable data. Let's say both of them are not working, you can just simply enable and disable the airplane mode and then simply check it again, and then there are chances that the issue will be resolved. The other thing you can do is that you can go to the settings of RedNote and then you have to clear its cache. Then you have to get back and go to its battery, and there you have to make sure that it is set on unrestricted. Once you do so, the issue will be definitely resolved. So that's how you can fix the network connection issue on RedNote. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.